We have some breaking inputs coming in. An update in the Pune Porsche probe. This is a big inside scoop here on Times Now. 14 calls were made between the accused's father and Dr. Tavre. Both dialed each other 14 times. And the first call, in fact, was made at 8:15 a.m. on the 19th of May. Let's, in fact, go across to Abhishek. Abhishek, now more details coming in of the cover-up attempt that was made. 14 calls between the accused father and Dr. Tavre.
Definitely, and this is what needs to be investigated further, because now it has been confirmed that Vishal Agrawal, the father of the minor accused, has called for the first time on 18th after the incident at 8:15 a.m. and subsequently he called both of them called each other 14 times, and they were discussing how to manipulate the blood sample and how to do that. And definitely this has been revealed by the investigation of the Pune police. And who other people called Dr. Tavre? Were there anyone else is also a part of investigation. As of now, it has been confirmed that father of the minor has called Dr. Ajay Tavre, who was the head of the forensic department, to manipulate the blood sample. It is out clear in the part of investigation. There were normal calls, WhatsApp call and FaceTime call between them. 14 times they have called each other and discussed how to manipulate the blood sample, and now the investigation progresses. As also Pune Police Commissioner earlier in the press conference clarified that how the blood samples were changed, the original samples were thrown into the dustbin, and whose sample was taken is also a part of investigation which is still going on. Remember, both the doctors, including one staffer, and Vishal Agrawal, along with the grandfather, is in the custody of Pune Crime Branch. Further, more details will come as the investigation progresses.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.